Unlock a world of entertainment with Apple TV, your gateway to streaming bliss. Let's get your Apple TV set up first. Connect your Apple TV to your TV using an HDMI cable and plug in the power adapter, then turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Your Apple TV will boot up. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Apple ID. This is crucial for accessing the App Store and other Apple services. Once set up, you'll land on the Apple TV home screen. This is your central hub for all your entertainment. You'll see pre-installed apps like Apple TV, Apple Music, and the App Store. To download more apps, navigate to the App Store. You can browse by category, trending apps, or use the search function to find your favorites like Netflix, Hulu, Disney, and more. Select an app and click Get to download it. Streaming is simple. Open any streaming app, browse for content, and hit play. The Apple TV remote's touch surface makes navigation a breeze. Swipe left or right to move through menus, and tap to select. Want to find something specific? Press and hold the Siri button on your remote and simply say what you're looking for. Whether it's a movie title, actor, or genre, Siri can also control playback, open apps, and even provide sports scores. Personalize your experience in the settings menu here. You can adjust audio and video settings, manage your accounts, and even set up parental controls. Customize your home screen by rearranging app icons. Simply press and hold the touch surface until the icons start to jiggle. Then swipe to move them. You can also delete apps you no longer need by selecting them and pressing the play/pause button, then choosing delete. With these tips, you're well on your way to enjoying your Apple TV. Happy streaming!